Hi, I'm Drew, creator of BrightSteps, and in this video I will walk you through how to create report sections, build a reusable template, and generate your first AI-assisted report using your own clinical writing style. So by the end of this video, you'll understand the complete workflow from template creation to final report generation. So let's get started. So the first place you want to start is creating your sections. So start with Manage Sections, click on that, then click Create Section. And here you'll be able to create your section by giving it a label. So you want to title it, whatever you want to title it, then select a label for it, whether it's background, a protocol, or a conclusion. In this case, protocol, and then click Create Section. It creates the section. Now you don't need to add your examples here because you'll do that in a later step. So go back to the dashboard. Then you want to create new report. So in this case, you want to create a report template. So go to Report Builder, and you'll see in your library of sections all the different sections you can choose from to create your template. In this case, we'll select a few. Background information. Once you have the sections that you want to add, you can review that and then decide, oh, I want to remove some, and then once you have it finished, then you click Next, and here's where you title your template, and you can provide a description of it if you need to. If not, then just click Save and Start Report. And now you can see where you can choose that template or any other template you might have saved. You then title the report, then enter the demographics of that client. And then once that's finished, then you click Create Report, and now you can see you have your template with the sections that you want included. You can then start each section by including the examples. If you have them saved already, then you have that. You select it and then click Next. And in this case, you can choose to upload the files or take pictures if you need to of those documents that you will use for that section. Go to the folder where those are, and you can upload them or you can take pictures of them. Either way, the AI engine will read them. And you select Upload, and then if it's a document that has any writing on it, like a PDF that has writing, then you click that, to save it as a process image, and then click Next. And then the AI engine will analyze that document and process it prior to writing that section. It might take a couple minutes depending on the size of the document or the number of documents you've uploaded. Once it's completed, you can review it for accuracy, and if you feel like it's accurate, then you click that you've confirmed that it's accurate, and then click Next. And then it will write that section of your report. Now you can wait for it to review it, or you can click Next and move on to the next section. If you don't have a writing sample saved for it, then you can go to your report that has that example. You copy it and then paste it in. And you can save that example so you can use it at a later time. You'd label it and then save that instruction, and then click Next. Then again, you can upload any associated documents for that section. And if it's an image, then it will process that. And once you upload that, if you need to add additional instructions, you can go to Manual Input and then give additional instructions in the notes, and then save that so that it can process that file based on your instructions. Once that's finished, then you click Next. You might have to wait a couple minutes, but overall it saves a lot of time with your writing. Once that's finished and you confirm that it's accurate, click Next, and you're finished with the sections. So once those are done, then you have the ability to use the conclusion section that you've added. The conclusion sections can't be processed until all the other sections are completed. So once they are done, you click Start Section. If you already have a writing example, you select it and then click Next. And now we're not going to upload a document for this, so we're just going to toggle this, which says Reference Report Sections Already Written. And that's all we need to do. And we click Next. And once you confirm that it has all the sections that you want in it, then you click Confirm. And then it creates that concluding summary that you have. And once that's complete, and all sections have been completed and the summary is done, and you just export it as a document, and you're finished. And it's that simple. And now you've written your first report using BrightSteps AI.